Question number 28 of test series 3 is from water resources from topic fluid dynamics, and in this question it is asked that, say a flow net is given. So this is flow net, and through one of the flow net velocity of approach is given as 1.2 meter per second, and this length, say L, this is square, so L is given as 1.2 centimeter, and size of another flow net through which this flow is passing, it is given that its side is 0.5 centimeter and V2 is asked. Now since we know that through flow net mass remain conserved during flow, so equation of continuity holds true, that is V1 multiplied by A1 should be equal to V2 multiplied by A2. V1 is given as 1.2 and A2 comes out as, or we can say V1 multiplied by L1, because we can assume thickness of this flow net perpendicular to this piece of paper to be same or unity, whatever you want to assume. So 1.2 into L1 is equal to V2 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by L2, which is 0.5. So V2 multiplied by L2. After substituting value 1.2, L1 we know is given as 1.2 and V2 is given as V2 into 0.5. So V2 comes as 2.88 meter per second, making C as the correct answer. Now only one thing that has to be kept in mind is that here V1 into A1, here A1 is not the area of hatched portion, but it is that area through which flow is passing. So if we look at its cross section, it will look something like this and this thickness T, which is perpendicular to this plane of paper. So this is the section through which flow is passing, and we have assumed that T is 1 for this particular analysis.